Why work from home and earn money by copy trading? The easiest way for beginners to start. Hey there, I am Lisa. For example, where do you think the market trend will go next? And I already knew about it. Instead of trying to master tough strategies, I just mirror successful traders. Want to try it too? The link in my bio has everything.